Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful butterfly keychain. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get started and just make it with me. For this tutorial I am using two color of yarn, a keychain hook, a scissors and also a 4mm of crochet hook. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get started. First I am using blue color of yarn. So just hold yarn like in fingers like this. I will show you clearly in this video. Next I am going to make slip knot. Here I am using 4mm of crochet hook. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, yarn over and pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. This is the chain pattern. Repeat same pattern and complete the total of 10 chain. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Make 5 more on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it and yarn over, pull it. Here I just complete total of 10 chains. Next I am going to make slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first chain and pull yarn twice. Here we have 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull it into 2 loop. You see, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Here we have small circle after making slip stitch. Next I am going to make 3 chain on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. This 3 chain will be counted as a first double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain below, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. This is the first pair of 2 double crochet. Then 2 chain on top, yarn over, pull it and yarn over, pull it. After completing 2 chain I am going to make total of 2 double crochet. Next yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 more, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here is my second pair of double crochet. After that chain 2 on top, just chain 2, then again 2 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. My 3 pair of double crochet complete. Again 2 chain on top, repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn and make 2 pair of double crochet. Here my 4 pair of double crochet complete. Repeat same pattern on another side and complete the total of 8. Here my 8 double crochet complete and 2 chain on top. Then in the last I am going to make 2 chain and then slip stitch into the first of double crochet like 3 chain. Insert your hook into the third chain and the pull yarn twice. Here my first round complete. After that chain 1, pull the yarn over and cut it with your scissors. Just cut it in the last and complete the total of first round. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. Here my first round complete. Next I am going to attach the new color of yarn on top. Here I am using light green color of yarn. So just hold yarn like in fingers. Hold yarn like in fingers and make a slip knit. First I am going to make slip stitch into the first space. Insert your hook like here. Here we have 2 chain and in here we have space and make slip stitch. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, 2 chain on top, and then I am going to make total of 5 double crochet. The 2 chain will be counted as a first. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the same space below, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over the hook, just yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the loop, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops. Make 2 more, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here my 5 double crochet complete. Now in next 2 stitches I am going to make 2 single crochet. Insert your hook into the first of top chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert your hook into the second chain below like here, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Here my 2 double crochet complete. Now in next space I am going to repeat the same pattern, make 5 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern and make 5 total of double crochet in this space and complete this space. Here my 5 double crochet complete in second space. Now insert your hook into the top of stitches and make 2 single crochet, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn, just pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Here my second round complete. Now insert your hook into the next space and repeat the same pattern of 5 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, and complete the total of 5 double crochet in each space. And on the top of stitches I am going to make 1 single crochet in each chain below. Here my 5 double crochet complete. Now insert the hook into the next chain and make 2 single crochet stitches like this. You see how I make this. Repeat the same pattern. Into the top of space I am going to make 5 double crochet and into the stitches I am going to make 1 single crochet and complete it. Here my second round complete. Now I make my last single crochet into the last stitch, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into a 2 loop. After this I am going to make slip stitch, insert your hook and pull the yarn twice, just pull it into 2 loops. After this I am going to make chain on top, just 15 chains, yarn over, pull it, and complete the total of 15 chains. Here my 15 chains complete. Next I am going to wrap it like this and make the butterfly shape. I will show you how to wrap it. And 15 chains wrap around the butterfly like this. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Next I am going to make slip stitch into the single crochet stitch. Here I wrap the chain around it and insert your hook into the below single crochet and pull the yarn twice. After making this, chain 1 on top. You see how look it is. After making slip stitch I am going to make chain 1 and then cut it with your scissors. Pull the yarn over and just cut it. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly, and next I am going to hide my leftover yarn inside the stitches. This step is for making your work neat and clean. Insert your hook into the stitches and just pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. You see how look it is, very easy to make and beginner friendly. And next I am going to make the upper part of the butterfly head. For making the butterfly head, and I am using the here again green color of yarn. So I am taking some yarn like only 3" long. Cut it with your scissors and make a knot on both sides like here and here, and make space like 2" into the center, and on sides I am going to make total of 2 knots. The first knot is right side and the second knot is, here is my first knot, and the second knot is on left side, and make the space into the center of 2 inches. You see here I have 2 knots on the ends. Next I am going to insert this yarn into the top of center and make the head of the butterfly. Insert your hook on the top of chain and just pull the yarn inside the chain. Just pull it inside like this. After pulling the yarn inside, I am going to make 2 knots on top for secure your work in the last. Make 2 tight knots with each other. I will show you clearly in this video. This is my first knot on the top of head, and again one more into the top. This is my second knot. Pull it tightly. After making the 2 knot, I am going to cut my leftover yarn on top and make the small. Just cut it extra yarn on the top like this. You see how look it is very easy to make and beginner friendly. Next I am going to attach a keychain hook. Here I am using golden keychain and attach it and come back. So this is the complete and the final look. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.